I'm sorry. Comments, concerns. Practice. These things that this course is probably, it's not like these other courses where you can just read the notes, right, and the slides and understand. I'm sorry to have to say this. You need to practice. The things that you see, if you're interested in these things you're seeing, when I'm showcasing some of these things, you want to practice and see if you can replicate some of these things. If you see a piece of application or a functionality that interests you, look it up online and try and see if you can find an alternative piece of software. Okay, guys, I'll leave you in this room. We'll share the recording. And good luck on Friday, and I'll see you when you see me. I'll send out notification when the next batch of recorded screencasts is going to be shared. Unless if there are any questions, I'm going to leave you now. Okay, bye-bye, thanks. What do you mean, Akala? Oh, I'm confused.
Guy. Why is it?
Thanks.
Right, what point?
My next time. Where is that?
Okay, I go online.
Areas that
otherwise panja vaniruma maningi mosquito bagai
so guys, what are the areas that we need to tackle?
Tackling up, guys.
Bagai raka.
Yes, I boy.
Lecture ya bagai anpita mtu maziwa.
Mpita zona ngipezela kulastia yani baba.
Wezambo kambale kafe wawa.
Ine zina yambiza wewe. Zina mbele.
Yani baba zona hivi.
Isi bichwari noteki.
Quickly, I forgot to do something. I always do this. By the way, there's a nice feature that I use myself on Google. What do you call this? I'll share my screen again. There's a nice feature I use on Google Meets, right? I always, when I have meetings, I always change my layout to screen layout, and then I take a screenshot of. And I think this is not working out. I take a screenshot of what's happening here. Let me just. I guess I'll stop presenting. I always take a screenshot of. Quickly, you can gossip once I'm gone, but I always take a screenshot of people logged on so that I can share it. And I wish there were people with. Could you switch on webcams? Those that are logged on, switch them on so that I take a snapshot and then I'll share it on the. Switch them on. Come on, please. No, just for a few seconds so that I get a screenshot. Come on, yes. Switch them on. No, but it's a. What? Switch them on. Come on. Okay. I'm going to. All of you, please, if you can. All right. So what I've done is I've gotten a screenshot and I'll showcase to you what I've just done just now. Okay, you can switch them off if you are concerned with data. But what I've done is, and I'll say present now. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing now on my screen. I will open the screenshot. Ooh, I can't find this. Maybe some pictures. Oh, pictures. Ooh. All right. Hopefully this is it. Nope. I thought I got a screenshot somewhere. I don't know what happened with it. Let me just check and see where it is. I'll take another screenshot and then try and see if I can find it. Yeah, but it's in my home directory. I'm wondering why I can't find it anyway. All right, so this is what I do, guys. So I'll share this, right? This is good, yeah? These are things you should be playing around with, yeah? It would have been nice if we had everybody in, but we only had 14 here. Okay, I'll see you. You can continue with your gossip or whatever you're doing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bagai Achan.
Raka.
Bro.
Guys, can you get me? Assignment we do.
I know this.
You get me?
Yeah, no, we're still recording. It's not a session.
No. Can you get me?
The voices are breaking up then coming up, so I'm not getting anyone at all.
Simao. You know, Mr.
Ebo.
Lighton, present to us, man. Present.
I'm not using the like my friend.
Dude, you're not my main skill, man.
That's the joke, right?
Guys, anyone to present to an abstraction because you don't understand.
Yet again, I got nothing.
Hello,
Okay,
Patrick.
guys,
I
now,
know about supporting Mr. Lighton. Present.
Hello, you guys who are working computers, can you explain?
Okay, guys, I have a question. Wait, is Natasha a first student?
Yeah? Who?
Wait, who is Natasha, guys? She seems to know a lot of stuff, man. Like, she got data, man. I need to know her.
Which Natasha?
I think about Majuni. Majuni and the Kamboke. Yeah.
Corona is a
Now, somebody go on the Kayastela. Holy Majuni, Balako.
Guys, are we knocking off? Talking.
Going up, what you going? Me, I'm outside, ka? So, now I know blood wa mosquito, boys.
Guys, mlale wenu mwaisho. Peace out.
Hey, you guys still about? Simao.
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Guys, I can't get you break up for me. This side is
So,
bad.
guys,
I'm not sure.
if they ask
Yeah,
a question like, what are the advantages of abstraction? What answers can you give?
Honestly, I tried attempting that. I have no idea. Mr. Patrick?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I tried that. In fact, just last night again, I tried answering that. What I was popping up on Google was also confusing for me. So,
Okay. Maybe if the questions are like, maybe what are the advantages of abstraction? Maybe you can answer in a way like, abstraction helps us in simplifying the complexity of a computer system in terms of programming languages. Since a computer understands the machine code, which was used like in the first generations, right now that has been abstracted to high programming languages. Of course, they are performing the same functions, executing the same instructions, but it is easy to write in a high programming language. So in that way, we can use abstraction. When you're doing something on your computer, maybe there's something happening behind the scenes, like there's an error. So how do you abstract that error message? There's just an error message that pops up. So meaning there's something behind that has gone wrong, but instead of us just sitting and checking, finding out what's wrong, there's that has been abstracted in form of an error message. So all those are like ways in which we can explain how abstraction is useful, starting from the software layer down to the circuit layer. In terms of advantages of abstraction, that's my thought there, guys.
suppose now, Miss, you want to simplify it, Mr. Patrick. That was quite long. How about you explain a bit It's a, how can I put it? Break it down.
Okay, breaking it down. Maybe you can just say abstraction helps in number one in terms of software, in terms of making of software. Instead of writing instructions in machine code, we can abstract that, we can simplify it. So when I say abstract, in your mind, replace that word with simplify. We can simplify that by using different means such as compilers, assemblers, which lead us to use things like high-level programming languages, thereby simplifying that low-level
Oh, wait,
programming language.
where is Natasha?
You enjoy. Which Natasha is talking
You
about?
know, Natasha was commenting in the commentary box, like she had a lot of information about this topic, man. It's like not been a first test today. It's even a fresh, huh?
Okay, so that's the one who follow now in the group.
Yeah, for us, man, we need to ask her for questions. Date.
She was commenting a lot in the chat.
Yeah, man, like explaining stuff about ads, blah blah blah, extensions, something like that. I'm like, this goes even a first say.
Oh, yes, Natasha Mwali.
Stuff.
We should attack her in the group.
Huh?
We should attack her in the group.
I know. Wait. Let me check for her name. Wait. At Natasha Mwale.
Yes.
Okay, you guys can continue explaining.
So you guys are ready for the quiz?